Register. If there is no complaint, why have you registered a case?
My lord, 85, my lord, 498A of the my lord, CPC, and my lord 406, also my lord BNS 316(2), my lord already complied with.
So far as the circulation of pornography pictures, nothing is there.
My lord,
For retrieving the data,
not received.
teaser list prepared on 2nd of October. Today we are on 11th of November. What are you doing with the mobile phone? Watching? Is the police authority an expert? You tell me.
My lord was called for a case diary, my lord.
Yes, sir.
No evidence of this petition or allegation, my lord. We will not found this evidence, my lord. Petition, my lord, accused, my lord, involved, my lord. This is the business related for the treatment of this Bangladesh citizen. His guide for treatment of these Bangladesh citizens. Even also, my lord, 3 floors was there, my lord. Two flats, my lord. They are residing several families, my lord. There are no complaint, no against this such type of business, my lord. Kindly have a look this, my lord, CD and my lord.
So what is this CD? Why have you registered? If there is no complaint, why have you registered a case?
My lord, 85, my lord, 498A of the my lord, CPC, and my lord 406, also my lord BNS 316(2), my lord already complied with.
Let me see the Caesar list. Have you sent this for retrieving the data?
Not received.
Caesar list prepared on 2nd of October. Today we are on 11th of November. What are you doing with the mobile phone? Watching? Is the police authority an expert? You tell me. They are opining all these things. Now, CID, cybercrime, SDF building, sector 5, all the officers are fantastic officers. You have just got to go and deposit the mobile for retrieving the data. জানেই না কাজ করতে, নিজেরা দেখেছে ডিলিট করে দিয়েছে, ব্যাস হয়ে গেছে।
This is the difficulty.
Lordship, nice.
Further, they will take steps. They will deposit these with the cyber experts who are.
Lordship, all are wiped out. What will be
So why
left?
they will retrieve, sir. The mechanism of retrieving.
And Lordship, kindly for once, Lordship, before passing any order, Lordship,
I'm not disposing. I'm keeping off the matter.
Right.
Materials are to be retrieved. There must
yes,
be
Lordship,
expert opinion on this.
exactly.
The accused will delete that and hand over the phone. Case started on 24/8/2024.
Yes.
Seizure effected on 2nd of October 2024.
True.
Enough time to delete the data. So when police is perusing that, he will not get any data over there. So the retrieving must be done by an expert.
My lord, definitely, my lord.
You go to the sector 5 SDF building. CID has been a fantastic operation
Kindly, my lord.
they are doing.
And how, Lordship, just one single question, Lordship, how prior to investigations which made out in the police complaint, Lordship, or the allegations, without registering an FIR in all these sections, how investigation has been carried out?
Sections are dynamic. Sections are dynamic. Sections are not very important in course of
Lordship,
investigation.
that is all amount to 498A. My allegations,
So,
what?
You said these are allegations.
Yes, Lordship.
They proceeded under 498. Suppose, let us presume. Now, the mobile was seized according to your allegations.
Yes.
According to their understanding, they could not find any materials. They were supposed to do an act in a certain mode and manner. They did not do that. They came to their final opinion on the basis of what they have seen. That is not permissible under the law.
Yes, Lordship.
So I am not saying what sections are to be added. They will decide that. But I am just correcting them to the extent that they cannot take a decision on the apparatus or whatever mobile they have seized. The final authority will be an expert, either the CFSL, but better I think now is that Sector 5 SDF building. CID has built a cybercrime.
Lordship, may I take just 1 minute of your Lordship's precious time? That is not only regarding the pornography, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please my police complaint for once? In not take.
What are the other things?
Lordship, I was sexually harassed by some others people, Lordship. They have, Lordship, forced me to perform the sexual act with all those person. All of this.
That according to them, they are doing investigation. They're not getting material.
But they came to the conclusion already.
No, final has not been submitted.
The submission of the state is from the neighbors. No such incident has happened.
That is a submission, sir. But now, if there are documentary materials, once a report is obtained regarding any deletion, now they have deleted. Now the husband has deleted all the materials.
Yes, Lordship.
Suppose the expert opines that there has been deletion of obscene materials, then we'll proceed further, sir. We will think in respect of changing the investigating officer.
Lordship, that is on pornography part.
And that is one of the indications, sir.
Exactly.
Now you cannot just foist why one part is wild allegations.
Yes, Lordship.
One part is cogent allegations made against the husband. So both are to be assessed by the investigating officer. A complaint need not be accepted to be gospel truth, sir. You have made allegations for torture, physical, mental. They have registered a case. Cognizable offense, they have registered a case. Now, so far as the other party is concerned, they require cybercrime expert to come to an opinion. Number one. Number two, so far as sexual harassment is concerned, either the list of names must be given.
If they are unknown person.
This is a problem. They are also facing the problems if they do not get any witness. You have got to assist them. You have got the complainant has to assist the police authorities.
Yes, Lordship, but I was gone through one judgment of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud for the last night, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to 3 relevant paragraphs, Lordship. Lordship, that is reportable, not yet reported, Lordship.
That's at the investigation stage.
So, Lordship, almost in the same footings, Lordship, matter went before the Supreme Court. Lordship, kindly come to relevant sections of.
No. Tell me what is the stage? Police had not taken any action. No action.
Lordship, kindly come to paragraph number 16 for once, 16, 18, 17. 16. We cannot help but note the police inactions in this case is most unfortunate. It is every police officer bound on duty to carry out his or her functions in a public spirited manner. The police must cognizant the fact they are usually first point to conduct
Paragraph?
a victim. Paragraph 16, Lordship, page number 7.
Yes, please.
Yes, Lordship. We cannot help but note the police inaction in this case is most unfortunate. In every police officer's bound on duty to carry out his or her functions in a public spirited manner. The police must cognizant of the fact that they are usually the first point of contact for a victim of a crime of a complaint. They must abide by the law and enable the smooth registration of an FIR. Needless to say, they must treat all members of the public in fair and impartial manner. This is all more essential in the case of sexual harassment.
You come to paragraph 12. This is in respect of the observation where the judicial magistrate thought that this is not a case for investigation, but it should be treated as a private complaint.
Lordship,
paragraph 12.
Yes,
prior to that.
By the above order, JMFC come to a conclusion that the prima facie occurrence of the offence by the accused person was shown. Nothing less, the JMFC held that the case could be decided without collecting evidence from the police and did not appear. It just proper act on the case filed on behalf of the appellant under section 156. Lordship, that is in regard to the magistrate. But the relevant paragraphs which I shall.
Here, police has already registered a case.
But Lordship, my humble.
Whether effective or ineffective investigation now comes.
Exactly. For that, Lordship, 18 is also relevant. Whether or not the comments complaint of made out to determine at the stage of investigation and of trial. If after conducting the investigation, the police found that no offense is made out, they may file a B report under section 173 CRPC. However, it is not open to them to decline to register an FIR. The law is in regard to clear. Police officer cannot exercise any discretion whether receive a complaint which dissolves commission of a cognizable offense. Lordship, my humble submission before you. Lordship, only in part of the sexual exploitations.
That they are investigating. They will do that. They have not done anything. No, they are trying to do. You help them out. You help them out.
Lordship, they have only sent me a notice, Lordship, for to submit the Nika Nama before them. Nothing more than that. No medical, nothing, Lordship.
Medical, what you will do, sir? You are a married lady, you claim. Your main allegation is of sexual abuse.
And Lordship, 25 of the same.
All right, let them submit a progress report. You go deposit this.
Lord, assistance may be taken from the passport office also, as it is alleged that there's a Bangladesh connection.
What they will do? Passport office will do what?
The passport office or the High Commission of Bangladesh, anything, Lordship.
I'm giving you liberty. If you want to make further allegations, go before the police authorities. Police authorities will entertain a further statement. Further statement.
By a lady officer, Lordship.
Obviously.
They have not done so.
198A, where they will get.
This is not only a case of 198A. This is my respectful submission before this court.
Petitioner, investigating officer cannot be changed. Petitioner is aggrieved by the manner in which the investigation has been progressing. Learned advocate 8 appearing for the petitioner submits that although the present in case being Sakral PS case number 624/24 dated 24/8/2024 was registered for investigation, but there has been no investigation in respect of the accusations made so far as the sexual exploitation of the lady is concerned, and also the allegations regarding circulation of obscene pictures which were allegedly obtained by the accused respondent. Full stop. Learned advocate aid for the state has produced a case diary. I have considered produced a case diary from where it reflects that the mobile phone of the accused were seized on 2nd of October 2024, and the police officer is of the opinion that there are no incriminating materials. Full stop. The police officers are not expert in detecting cyber related problems, cyber related issues. Full stop. It would not be out of place to state that the case was registered on August 2024 and the seizure was effected on 2nd of October 2024. Accordingly, the investigating officer of the case would get the mobile phone which has been will submit the mobile phone which has been seized in connection with the present case with the office of the cybercrime department established at SDF building, ये sector 5, Salt Lake, Kolkata. Full stop. The expert of the said department will uh, check the authenticity in respect of the allegations as to whether any obscene materials were there which has been subsequently deleted at the instance of the accused. Also, a further report be submitted before this court. In the meantime, if the petitioner feels that she was unable to express herself while submitting the written information, the petitioner would be at liberty to approach the police authorities. If required, the inspector in charge, Shakrail Police Station, will depute a lady officer in whose presence the investigating officer would record a further statement of the petitioner. Full stop. Let a further progress report along with the opinion of the expert be submitted before the court 1 month time. I'm writing on submitted before this court on 11th of December 2024 when the writ petition will appear under the heading for orders. Case diary be returned to the learned advocate appearing for the state. The same be produced on the next day, 8th of weeks.
They will send me a notice, or I shall make my own. Go before.
Liberty I have granted. How they will conduct investigation, that I will not say, sir. How they will do it, I will not say that.
Lordship, for that reason, assistance.
I've said lady officer would be present and the investigate. I cannot change the investigating officer.
Yes, Lordship. But
lady officer, IC will engage a lady officer who will be just present. In front of her, the investigating officer will record the statement.
Yes, Lordship, that is one part. But if it is really due to their lack of infrastructure, they unable to unearth the truth, then Lordship, probably for the ends of justice and to instill confidence of the de facto complainant, who is the victim here, Lordship, your Lordship may constitute a SIT, Lordship. Probably that is on later stage, not now.
Let the CID report.
For that reason, I have said not later stage. Grateful, Lordship.